Click the motor setting key 3 times. The motor enters the distribution network state. Download and open the TUYA mobile app. Click Add Device. After searching for the device to connect, type Wi-Fi information. Click Next. Wait for the device to load. After entering the control page, click the corresponding key to control the motor operation. Then you should first perform the limit setting operation. Click More. Enter the travel limit setting. Follow the instructions in the video. In the position you want, set the up limit, the down limit and the third position limit. Download and open the Shudu application software. Register and log into your Baidu account. Click Add Device in the upper right corner. After searching for the device, click and connect to it. Type the Wi-Fi information. Click One-Click Network Distribution. The indicator light of the Shudu speaker is flashing.
我已收到 Wi-Fi 信息，开始联网。
And the voice prompt configuration successful.
配置成功。小度已经准备好了，开始第一次对话。
Open the Shudu mobile app. Click Smart Home. Click Add Device. Type TUYA in the search bar. Click Login Account. Switch to the TUYA app. Go to the Me interface. Click Third Party Voice Service. Select Shudu. Click Get. Copy verification code. Back to the Shudu app. Fill in the copied verification code. Click Authorize. Select the connected device and enter the control interface. Click the corresponding key to control the motor operation. Click the setting icon in the upper right corner. Set the command word you want. And where the equipment is located. After setting up, you can use the Shudu speaker to control. Shudu.
在哪？
Open the roller blinds.
好的。
Shudu.
在哪？
Stop the roller blinds.
好的。
Shudu.
在哪？
Close the roller blinds.
好的。
You can also set the timing.